At this time, we will make a rose brooch from the ribbon. Hope you like it. Let's begin. Materials that must be prepared: organdy ribbon, glue gun, round cloth, pin, needle and thread, beads. Then cut the ribbon with the size 5 centimeters, cut as many as 5 pieces. 6 centimeters, cut as many as 7 pieces. 7 centimeters, cut as many as 9 pieces. Then sew the ribbon like this. Don't forget you have to sew the ribbon of the same size. Then taper the flowers in each corner using a candle. After everything is finished, combine the 3 flowers with glue, the biggest big flower below and the smallest above. Add beads to enhance the appearance. Pair the round cloth that has been prepared and attach the pin. Finish. Hope you like it!